The interaction between us and the exhibitors and the attendees is very good. A lot of questions, a lot of people who are asking questions related to their projects, related to their clients as well. We are happy to be here today, and hopefully we do the same next year.
We think that we can contribute a lot in order to optimize, to innovate, and to introduce technologies that can reduce the impact on the environment. And actually we cannot do that alone. We can do it with partners, leaders in their field of the area, and we look into the entire system as a whole. And through this partnership we are sure that we can help the region and the stakeholders in the market to optimize further the HVAC application.
It's been a great day, great morning so far. It's a really good audience, really good contacts that we've made so far. In conjunction with Belimo, Reflex and Grundfos, really good partners, and yeah, very happy with the turnout.
In the past we have started with products for environmental protection, also for carbon emission reduction, so supporting that. And having said that, this is something where our devices are also working since some years, now here in Dubai. And of course this event is something where we would like to promote that even more, because it is important for all of us.
We have today several consultants, we have utility management, we have contractors, all of them coming to look for solutions to their systems in a modern way, and we are happy with this attendance today. Thank you for hosting us on the name of Reflex.